I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account. First, open up the Facebook and go to our Facebook settings. By going to the top right of your screen, click on your profile and then select Setting and Privacy. Next, go click on Then Settings. On the left side, we need to click on Account Center. Click on Personal Details and select Account Ownership and Control option. Under Account Ownership and Control option, click Deactivation or Deletion. Select the account you want to be delete or deactivate. But we want to delete, so we select Delete Account option, click Continue. Before we go to the next step, you need to give reason. Just select what you want and click Continue. Then click Continue. Continue. Then click Continue. Before you delete anything you want to do, if you are not interested, just click Continue button.
The final step is to re-enter your password and click on Continue. Then your last option is Delete Account.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, subscribe.